welcome back to Linda's Eating Show. I am your host Linda. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. And today you guys, I am having Panda Express. It's been a minute since I had Panda Express. I have water that I'm drinking on the side here, and then I have some sriracha. And I just did a fun little video of me trying Mexican treats. So I ate that first, and then I'm eating this after, which should have been vice versa, but it's okay. Let's just dig in because I'm so hungry. All I had today was an apple, and I had all this sugar, so I feel very hyper. I have orange chicken, beef and broccoli, and honey walnut shrimp, half rice, half chow mein. You guys, I hope you guys are proud of me and the way I was speaking Spanish in my video. I did my best. I'm super hungry right now. Annette?
Yeah?
How do you say broccoli in Spanish?
The same? Broccoli?
Mm-hmm. Broccoli. How do you say orange chicken?
Pollo con naranja?
Pollo con naranja?
Naranja.
Naranja. Pollo. Hold on. Pollo non caranja?
Naranja.
Naranja. Shrimp. Camarón.
Good job.
Chow mein or noodles. I'm asking you.
Chow mein.
Chow mein. Agua?
Good job.
How do you say soda?
Soda?
Soda.
Fresco?
Fresco. How do you say I'm hungry?
Tengo hambre. Tengo
Tengo?
hambre.
Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. Muy tengo hambre.
Mucha hambre.
Mucha. Tengo hambre. She thinks I'm hilarious. She's always laughing at me.
Would you?
Annette,
Yeah.
how would you describe me?
Oh my god. How many words? The first.
How many ever words you want to describe me in?
You're hilarious.
I'm hilarious, she says.
And cute. Cute.
Oh, thank you. I'm.
Competitive.
That's me. Very competitive. How's everybody doing during this quarantine time? What other words do I know? I know chipon, that's pacifier. I know mocos, that's booger.
China.
Cochina. I know. Cállate. I know. Hold on. What the hell is that? How do you say it? It's sandals. Don't tell me. chancla. I'm gonna get my chancla. Chancla. What else do I know? Chismoso.
Oh, sí.
Chismoso.
Metiche.
Annette Chismoso. Chismosa. Chismosa? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. ¿Y tú? Lonche. Lonche.
Comida.
Huh?
Comida.
Comida. Same thing? Comida. Food. That's so good. How do you say, ooh, that's so good?
Uy, qué rico. Está muy bueno.
Oh, that's a lot.
O está, qué rico.
¿Qué rico? ¿Qué rico?
Qué rico.
¡Qué rico! Dang, I'm eating so fast. I'm like getting full already. You guys, I've been working out like crazy. My husband has me doing burpees, 50 burpees with push-ups, no breaks. I posted a video on my Instagram. What other important words can I learn in Spanish?
Related to food?
Sure. Oh, how do you say subscribe? Do you know how to say subscribe?
Suscríbete.
Suscríbete, por favor. Suscríbete. How do you say like?
Me gusta.
Me gusta. Subscribe. Me gusta.
A mi canal.
En mi canal. And then leave a comment. How do you say leave a comment?
Deja
Deja
un
un,
comentario.
deja un comentario. Hold on.
Deja
Deja,
un comentario.
deja un comentario. Me gusto. I need to be more confident. Subscribe to my channel.
Suscríbete.
Suscríbete mi canal Linda's Eating Show. Por favor. Por favor means like right now.
Please.
Please. Por favor. Oh my god, this was such a fun video. Well, you guys, did you guys like this episode of Linda Learning Spanish? Oh, sorry, I forgot to cover my mouth. I know you're gonna come after me in the comments, but excuse me, it comes out so fast. I'm done. I'm so full. How much time do we have left? Okay, 2 minutes left. I got to go. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got lots of laughs from it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good to see you. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye.